High-speed scanners instantly identify damaged fruit, leaves, stems, and unwanted material.
The freshly washed lychees continue into an advanced sanitizing chamber, where purified water and food-safe sanitizing technology eliminate any remaining surface. Squeeze. The freshly crushed lychee pulp enters enormous stainless steel hydro-extraction machines, where advanced food-grade pressing.
The freshly pasteurized lychee juice immediately enters an advanced cooling system, where intelligent plate heat exchangers wrap.
The newly manufactured bottles enter a high-speed washing and sterilization tunnel, where purified water and food-safe sanitizing systems prepare every bottle for hygienic juice filling. The beautifully labeled bottles continue toward advanced laser coating machines, where every bottle receives a clearly printed